Welcome to this video. In this video we'll talk about the grid layout. In most documents layout, you can hide or show the column in detail. First, click the icon at the left of title column. Then, the title column selections will show up. And you can tick the columns that want to show. The column be selected will show up. You can then tick the column to hide them. Then, the column that unticked will be hide. And you can drag the column to arrange them. You can save the layout that have arranged. Right-click the column title. Click the grid layout and select the Save Layout. Give it a name and save it. Then you can load it when you need, with click the load. The grid layout can be exported to Excel. Right-click the column title. Select Export to Microsoft Excel 2007. Save it. The details and the grid layout is same, with original invoice. You can export the grid layout, have saved. Load the layout saved first. And export it with same step. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching.